welcome to the Wealth Mantra. This time it's episode 2. Last time we talked what savings are. We had 5,000 rupees और उसमें से हम लोग 500 rupees बाजू में रखते हैं, and those are savings. And this time we are going to talk about वो 500 के साथ हम क्या करने वाले हैं. How are we going to utilize it? What are we going to invest it in? So, let us get to know more about what the options for investing are. What are we going to do with those 5,000, Baba?
Yeah, basically, you have to consider investments from two angles. So, what I call it as investment fixed return instruments and investment in variable return instruments. So, for example, we middle class people commonly understand what is fixed return instruments. So, bank fixed deposit, recurring deposit, company fixed deposit, then Government of India bonds, PPF account, LIC policies, all those which we know commonly. These are fixed return instruments because what do you mean by fixed return instrument? Whatever interest rate, whatever is interest rate return on those instruments, the issuer is giving guarantee to continue that rate of interest for that certain period.
Okay.
5 साल का एफडी है, 6% का एफडी है, तो 6% 5 साल डेफिनेटली मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. मार्केट कितना भी ऊपर जाने दो, इकोनॉमी की कुछ भी वाट लगने दो, 6% मिलेगा मतलब मिलेगा.
Got it.
So that's why it is called as fixed return instrument.
Got it.
So your investment can go in fixed return instruments as well as your investment can go in variable return instruments. So what are variable return instruments?
ऊपर नीचे होगा interest.
Interest मतलब there we call it as return. So return ऊपर भी जा सकता है, नीचे भी जा सकता है, माइनस भी हो सकता है, 50% भी हो सकता है. So over a period of time, say 5 years, this instrument can deliver negative return, positive return, extraordinary very high return, extraordinary very low return. So these are the types of instruments where you can invest.
Okay. तो अभी आपने बताया कि ऊपर नीचे होता है, and we always see this on our TV. So वो market क्या होता है? What is that?
Basically, market is nothing but an equity market. Equity share capital or investment in equities are variable instruments from return point of view. So मैं जैसे आपको बोलूँगा 500 रुपए उठा के इक्विटी शेयर में डाला. So what are equity shares? So equity shares is nothing but I'll tell you a story about it. Basically, this equity share concept is previously known as joint stock company.
Okay.
So people actually it started in late 1800 or early 1900 period, wherein all Spanish, English, French people load their vessels or load their ships with the industrialized revolution products, and they come to India, and here there was a East India Company, and ये उधर आके they used to sell all those industrial materials to Indians, and they collect all masala, turmeric, all those goods, maybe textile, maybe cotton from India, and they take it back to their own country. So this was requiring a huge capital. Okay, because only one ship cannot come and cannot go. There has to be a 10, 12, 15 number of ships, because there was a probability of 2, 3 of them may sink in between. So in that case, a huge requirement of capital was there, which one person cannot finance, which one person cannot raise that capital, invest that money into those businesses. So there was an idea wherein collectively 2, 3, 5, 10, 50 people put their money together into this business and invest and start operating ships.
Okay.
So every person will get proportionate share of his investment. किसी ने 1000 रुपए डाला, किसी ने 2000, किसी ने 5000, तो proportionate to their investment they will get the return. So this fraction of proportionate investment is called as joint stock companies. So they incorporated a company, किसी को 2 शेयर दिए, किसी को 4 दिए, किसी को 6 दिए, and the face value of that shares, that basic value of that share was fixed. से 1000 रुपया, तो 1000 रुपया किसी ने 2000 जिसको इन्वेस्ट करना है उसको 2 शेयर दिए, 4000 करना है उसको 4 शेयर दिए. So everybody was sharing, and अगर वो वेसल कंप्लीट करके, वॉयज कंप्लीट करके जब भी शिप्स वापस आते थे, तो they earn a huge profit. That again profit is also to be distributed in the proportion of their shares. So now it is called as dividend. So this was the history of this equity market. From there the equity market started. Now the point I want to your generation to know, buying an equity share of Reliance means nothing but you are a part owner. One by maybe 23 million shares.
23 million shares.
You are owner of that in a petrochemical factory, in Geo platform and everything.
Correct.
So you are nothing but a owner of the company by owning a equity share. 100 equity shares, maybe 1 equity share or whatever equity share. You are part owner of that company. That your generation must know.
So I want to learn more about what equity are. And I see you watching the news every day, and then you discuss, okay, now this time the Sensex is up, today the Sensex is down, Nifty is up, Nifty is down. So what is that? I am very confused.
So basically you need to understand the concept of investment into equities. Okay, now coming to the point of investment, where to invest?
Yes.
How to find out a company where you can own that share and own that company. So as you know, I'm a chartered accountant, so we are balance sheet, reading balance sheet and profit and loss account is in our blood. So I generally read a lot, I generally listen a lot, I generally analyze a lot based upon balance sheet and profit and loss. So what is the balance sheet and profit and loss account is nothing but the performance of the company for the financial year. With how much sales they have done, how much profit they have earned, how much expenses they have spent, how much R&D they have done. So all put together एक gist आ जाता है, that is called as profit and loss and balance sheet. Based on that, based on market research, basically उनके products किधर जाते हैं, उनके customers कौन है, internationally whether the company is a leader or not in that particular field, वो सब analysis करके we conclude कि ये कंपनी में पैसा डालना है और ये शेयर्स लेने हैं. Sensex and Nifty is only a yardstick which is prepared by regulator called SEBI in India. There are, say, Sensex contains 30 companies, Nifty contains 50 companies. तो अभी हमारे टाइम पे जब हम लोग 10th में थे तभी 50 होशियार लड़के अलग सिलेक्ट किए जाते थे, उनको स्पेशल कोचिंग दिया जाता था. So this is Nifty is like that. Best performing companies are segregated and they are called Nifty.
Okay.
Sensex,
Top 30.
best 30 companies selected. So
And who selects these companies?
regulator selects this company.
SEBI.
Same.
Okay.
Every 6 months or every quarter they change.
Okay.
मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं मिले, you are out. मार्क्स अच्छे मिले, वो अंदर आ जाएगा.
Okay.
So that I will explain you in detail. What does it mean? What is the use of Sensex? What is the use of how to use Sensex and Nifty?
Correct.
Yardstick.
So a few of my friends invested in equity shares, और वो मुझे तीसरे दिन आके बोले कि the price is the same, it's not increasing. तो ऐसे कैसे मतलब?
Basically, you have to understand the difference between trading and investment. What we have discussed in last episode is you are investing for some kind of goal. Say you want to have a travel to New Zealand with friends. 1.5 लाख रुपया 2 लाख रुपया उसके लिए जमाना है, तैयार करना है. तो आज अगर आपने 500 रुपये डाला, अगले महीने में 500 रुपये डाला, उसके अगले महीने में 500 रुपये डाला, तो धीरे धीरे करके वो 1.5 लाख 2 लाख रुपया हो जाएगा. That means you are investing for a longer period, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. 6,000 a year. आपको 2 लाख रुपए जमा करना है, कितने साल लगेंगे? बहुत साल. So अगर factually this is an example which I am giving you. न्यूजीलैंड की ट्रिप मांगे. अभी आगे ये भी हो सकता है कि हायर एजुकेशन में के लिए जाना है,
Correct.
उधर पैसा जमा करना है. तो इन दैट केस सी इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट इज नथिंग बट आप मैंगो ट्री लगाते हो ना छोटा, वैसा होना चाहिए. आप मैंगो खा के वो गुठली अंदर डाल दी जमीन के, एंड देन यू दूसरे दिन जाके देखते हो घर कितना बड़ा स्केल लेके बैठते हो, "अरे, आधा सेंटीमीटर बड़ा." ऐसा तो नहीं देखते ना.
No.
अच्छा, वो दूसरे दिन कोसते हो क्या उसको, "अरे यार मेरे को तो मैंगो दिए ही नहीं." तीसरे दिन जाके वापस, "मेरे को मैंगो दिए ही नहीं."
Correct.
बिकॉज यू नो यू गेट अ मैंगो आफ्टर 5 years or after 8 years. Likewise, if you find a good company, invest into that, sit on that 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Don't get tempted. आज मैंने डाला रिलायंस 2000 रुपये में ले लिया, कल 2500 हो गया, अरे बेच दो 500 रुपये, नहीं तो वो नीचे आ जाएगा. क्यों? मुझे 500 रुपये में इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, मुझे 5 साल वो रखना है, मुझे 6000 तक जाना चाहिए वो शेयर 5 साल में. तो 5 साल में 3 गुना ज़्यादा है कि 2000 से लेके 2500 500 रुपये निकाल लो. और 99% टाइम ऐसे ही होता है, आप बेच देते हो 500 रुपये में, पैसा ले लेते हो और दूसरे दिन वो 2600 रुपये हो जाता है, 2700 रुपये हो जाता है. तो देन यू विल रिग्रेट, और ये मैंने खूब क्यों जल्दी बेचा. सी व्हाट थियरी सेज इज ऑलवेज यू शुड बाय एट लो एंड सेल एट हाई, बट इट इज ओनली अ थियरी. इट नेवर हैपेंस इन प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ. सो यू शुड लिंक योर इन्वेस्टमेंट टू योर गोल्स.
Correct.
मुझे किसके लिए पैसा चाहिए, कितने लंबे पीरियड के लिए मुझे पैसा चाहिए, वो पैसा रखना है.
Okay.
तो वो ध्यान में रखते हुए यू शुड इन्वेस्ट.
But Baba, you are saying you should keep it for a longer period of time. There are a lot of people who do daily trading. So what is the difference between that? They don't keep their money for a long time in shares.
See, there is another sector or another type of people who do आज buy करते हैं कल सेल करते हैं, tomorrow they sell, या डे आफ्टर टुमारो दे sell, थोड़ा पैसा. बट दो इट इज अ सेक्सी, यू विल एंजॉय. 300 रुपये मिला, 3 रुपये मिला, 6 रुपये मिला, इट इज अ सेक्सी थिंग टू. बट अल्टीमेटली इफ यू डू कंटिन्यूसली दैट एंड ओवर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, 5 साल के बाद, हमारे टाइम की एक ओल्ड सेइंग थी, खाया पिया कुछ नहीं, ग्लास तोड़ा 12.
Okay.
तो खाया भी नहीं कुछ, पिया भी नहीं कुछ, लेकिन ग्लास फूटा, उसका मुझे पैसा ही देना पड़ा 12. सो यू डोंट, बिकॉज the way you earn also, the way you lose also in trading.
Correct. Daily trade.
Daily trading. So in that case, you need to be very informative or very strong in your information, in your analysis. Then only वो एक जमात है. वो जमात में जाने की लोग बहुत कोशिश करते हैं. जैसे विराट ट्रेन, बहुत भरी भरी विराट ट्रेन अंदर ही स्टेशन पे आती है, अंदर जाने की सब लोग कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन अंदर सब लोग नहीं जा पाते. आज के दिन में तो नहीं जा पाते, कुछ लोग स्टेशन पे ही रह जाते हैं, गाड़ी निकल जाती है. सो योर जनरेशन शुड नेवर स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग. योर जनरेशन, ये सब ट्रेडिंग टाइम पास कभी होता है. सब पैसा वैसा होने के बाद, तुम्हारे गोल्स अचीव होने के बाद, सफिशिएंट कॉर्पस रिटायरमेंट के लिए जमा होने के बाद टाइम पास चाहिए, तो फिर वो ट्रेडिंग में जाओ.
So अब हमने इक्विटी के बारे में बात की. So I have a question. We have so many other different financial instruments that we can invest in. So why equity? And why not maybe real estate or recurring fixed deposit or maybe even mutual funds?
See, you should understand again this concept also. I put you 2 examples for this particular thing. हम लोग बैंक में अगर एफडी करते हैं तो बैंक हमको 6% देता है. बैंक वो पैसे का क्या करता है?
लोन.
किसको लोन देता है?
Customers को.
कौन कस्टमर देते हैं?
हमारे जैसे.
बिजनेसमैन.
हाँ.
Why they take a loan? Because they want to erect a factory building, they want to put a machinery, they want working capital, raw material, goods लेने हैं उनको, मैन्युफैक्चर करना है और बेचना है. अगर हम लोग 6% में बैंक को देते हैं तो बैंक कितने परसेंट में उनको देता होगा? 6% में देता होगा?
No, more than that.
कितने? 12% में देता होगा, बिकॉज बैंक का खर्चा है, बैंक के एम्प्लॉइज है, एसी ऑफिस है.
Correct, correct.
तो 12% में उसको देता होगा मैन्युफैक्चरर को. अभी मैन्युफैक्चरर या सर्विस इंडस्ट्री, अभी मैन्युफैक्चरर या सर्विस इंडस्ट्री पागल होगा 12% में लेके, उसका प्रॉफिट मार्जिन 10% ही होगा, तो उसका प्रॉफिट मार्जिन कितना होना चाहिए टेक्निकली, थ्योरेटिकली 20%. 20% अगर वो कमाएगा तो 12% बैंक को देगा, खुद का खर्चा 3-4% जाएगा, 3-4% प्रॉफिट रखेगा.
Correct.
बैंक अपना 3-4% खर्चा करेगी, 2% प्रॉफिट रखेगी, अपने को 6% आएगा। हम लोग डायरेक्ट वो मैन्युफैक्चरर के शेयर ओन क्यों नहीं करते? वो जो 20 रुपया कमाएगा, अल्टीमेटली उससे जो शेयर्स के भाव बढ़ेंगे, वो शेयर्स के भाव कैसे बढ़ते हैं, on what basis in the balance sheet, on what basis in the profit and loss account, that I will explain you in detail later on. But that there we should invest not in fixed deposit but in company shares, equity shares.
So we eliminate the middleman altogether.
You eliminate the middleman.
Correct.
तो 6% इधर गारंटी है, लेकिन 6% का गारंटी 7%, 8%, 9% नहीं हो सकता। अगर इसमें जाते हैं, थियोरेटिकली आप उसका स्टडी करते हैं, तो इन दैट केस यू कैन डेफिनेटली गेट 20-22% रिटर्न्स एज वेल, बिकॉज शेयर मार्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्यूचर पे होता है, फ्यूचर देख के कितना प्रॉफिट होगा, कितना लॉस होगा, वो देख के।
बट व्हाट इफ आई एम नॉट अ कॉमर्स पर्सन, आई एम एन आर्ट स्टूडेंट, आई एम एन आर्किटेक्ट स्टूडेंट, तो मुझे हाउ विल आई स्टडी? आई डोंट हैव एनी नॉलेज ऑफ इट।
Actually, आपके जनरेशन के लिए, see here, I can say about whatever number of investors are there in India. Exactly, financial literacy is increasing India or increasing in last 4-5 years. People are investing, people are coming forward. So there is another way to invest in equities, but it is called as passive.
Okay.
So what is passive way? Your generation, you should continue in your profession. आप डॉक्टर हैं तो आपका प्रैक्टिस पे, आपका इनकम पे कंसंट्रेट करो। योर आर्किटेक्ट है तो आपका प्रोफेशन पे कंसंट्रेट करो, उधर से पैसा कमाने के लिए कंसंट्रेट करो। डोंट जंप एंड लर्न बैलेंस शीट, ट्राई टू लर्न एनालिसिस, कंपनी डायरेक्टर्स रिपोर्ट, ऑडिटर्स रिपोर्ट, नथिंग। यू शुड गिव योर मनी टू such persons who are expert in this, who are from this particular field, they are called as fund managers. So you should invest 500 रुपया जो आप बचा रही हो through mutual fund into equities.
Okay.
Because mutual fund is nothing but मैंने BC रहती थी, BC. So every 10 people contribute money and then they invest. So like that, mutual fund is nothing but the same.
Yeah.
People contribute their money and they invest in equities, they buy equities.
Correct.
Now Reliance का शेयर अगर 2000 रुपया, आप 500 रुपया हर महीने बचा रही हो, तो you cannot own that share. But if you own a mutual fund of 500 rupees, you can get Reliance का शेयर का टुकड़ा, हिंदुस्तान लीवर का टुकड़ा,
Okay.
सब 15-20 कंपनी का 15-20 कंपनी के शेयर आप फ्रैक्शन एंड नाउ इन कंप्यूटर एज एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल। कितना फ्रैक्शन है, क्या है?
Correct.
So ultimately, for your generation, initially, ideally, you should start investing in mutual. मैं देख सकता हूँ कि see, these are the instruments which I have explained.
Correct.
Now there are some kind of strategies. How to invest?
Our viewers asked for strategies.
How to invest? So that we will take it in the next video.
Sure. That would be great. Today it's a little heavy now. Very interesting. Thank you so much for giving us few minutes to sit down and talk few more basics. A few of my friends really enjoyed the tip that you gave last time. So could we end this episode with a really good advice?
Yeah, basically, I can say a tip your generation, and you can adapt this very quickly. Higher the risk, higher the returns. When you are in your earning span, take risk. And your investment horizon is long. In that case, since it is long, investment horizon is long, the risk get distributed and it get reduced.
Okay.
So higher the risk, higher the return. If you are earning income, you should take risk.
But keep it for a longer period of time.
Keep it for.
Got it.
You should do investment, no trading.
Correct. Yes. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for joining us today as well. We hope to see you in the next episode as well, where we will deep dive into mutual funds a little bit more. So thank you so much. This is the Wealth Mantra. Keep on watching.
Thank you.